Hi, my name's Cem Kaner, and I'd like to invite you to join me in the next BBST Foundations course. Programmers go through retraining throughout their career. They always need to sharpen their skills. Testers need that too. I designed BBST to be a practical, skill-building series of courses for many of the challenges you'll face at work. The series includes courses on bug investigation and reporting, on test design, and on a deep study of the field's most popular test design technique, domain testing. Foundations is the first course in this 4-course series, and it's a prerequisite for the rest. BBST Foundations starts from the central problem of testing, which is that in theory you can run an infinite number of tests against almost any program. But who has time for an infinite number of tests? So you have to subset. You have to choose a few thousand tests or a few million that cover enough, that hit enough of the risks to give you some assurance that the program's going to work in the field. So we focus the course on 4 questions. First, what's a test strategy that helps you choose the tests, and how do you develop one? Second, how can you tell, or how can your test tool tell, whether the program passed or failed a test? Third, how can you evaluate your coverage, your measure of how thoroughly you've tested the program? Fourth, what are the challenges in developing software metrics, measures of how thoroughly you've tested, so that you can decide when you can stop testing? So as part of that work, we introduce a lot of terminology. We cover several fundamental concepts in testing, in programming, and in programming-related mathematics. Dr. Rebecca Fiedler and I designed BBST as an online course. But this is not a glorified webinar. People learn by doing, not by watching somebody else talking at them. So yeah, there are video lectures, but those set the stage for your work. And there's a lot of work. You'll have quizzes and practical assignments and an essay-style final exam. The assignments reflect real-life issues. For 3 weeks, you have deadlines twice a week. You discuss your work with the other students, with the instructors. You get a lot of feedback. Then you have a week to prepare for the final exam. The typical student needs about 15 hours a week for those 4 weeks. You work a lot, you learn a lot. We designed this course to be valuable for people who are already working in testing, and for other people who are seriously interested in what skilled testers actually do. Foundations is just an introduction, but it's a pretty good one.